Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Android TV. So the first process is that you have to connect the same Wi-Fi. You have to connect both of the devices with same Wi-Fi network, as your phone and your TV should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And now you have to download an application in Android TV which is known as AirScreen. So you guys can see here in the Android TV, you get this application from Google Play Store. You have to download this app, and after installing, just open this application. So let me open. So in my case, just set up the whole process, connect to your TV with the Wi-Fi network. As I already mentioned, you as your both devices should be connected with the same Wi-Fi. And now in your iPhone, just open the camera application, or you can just scan this QR which is showing in a TV. But if it's not showing, you can just simply jump to the camera app and it will scan the QR code. Just tap on that link here which will be generated in the camera app, and this application will automatically connect it with the TV here. You can just simply jump to the screen mirroring option in the control center, and you will get this. Now you guys can see here my TV is connected with the iPhone and successfully screen got mirrored. So this is the very simple fix, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.